YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, so we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. So as you guys can see right here, this cleaner's been stripped down to pretty much the basics. If you guys want to know how we got all the way down here, make sure you guys hit that link in the description. For today's video, we're going to show you guys how to remove the main vacuum tube, which will give you access to the thrust jets. So I'll also show you guys how to remove that as well. So to get to this main point, you do need to strip the cleaner down all the way in order to be able to get access to the screws that are located at the very bottom of everything. So to make it easier, we've already pre-removed everything, and then I'm just going to kind of show you guys the points of what you're looking for and how to take it off and make sure you get those venturis removed. So this main vacuum tube is the main heart of the cleaner. So as the water's coming in and the brush is pushing debris back, the venturi jets are helping create that centrifugal force to lift the debris up, and then this is where your bag will actually sit. So then the debris will come up and get put into the bag and then be able to be emptied and cleaned directly from there. So it is a very important part to the cleaner. So if any part of this cracks or breaks, in order to make sure that this cleaner is going to work properly for you guys, you do need to replace this entire tube. So it is available in the links in the description. We have all the parts available for it directly on our website for you guys to purchase. So let's dive in and show you guys where those points are to be able to get this tube off. So as you guys can see down inside the cleaner here, there are two Phillips head screws located on each side of the venturi jets that will also run across the bottom of the pool floor. So only tool that you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. The longer the better in the screwdriver, just to make it easier for you guys so you're not getting your knuckles all down by the frame of the cleaner. Just allows you guys to be able to unscrew this easier. When you guys are tearing this thing apart to get to this vacuum tube, make sure you guys are away from the pool surface so you guys don't lose half the screws in your pool water and have to go swimming depending on what time of the year it is. It could be cold for most of you East Coast people that have these pressure pool cleaners. So go around, remove all four of the Phillips head screws that are holding this thing down to the actual frame of the cleaner. As you guys can see, as I'm loosening the last one, this becomes very loose. You guys are just going to gently lift up, and here you go. So now you actually have your entire vacuum tube and your entire venturi jets that help push the debris up into that bag. So go ahead and slide these screws off. Good thing is all four of these screws for this part are all the same. So when you guys go put everything back together, there's no need to worry about which screw went where. So once you get the vacuum tube off, all you're looking at is these venturi jets, which when you do purchase them, they do come as a pair. So just like you do on your car, when you replace one thing, you should always replace the opposing side to make sure that everything wears evenly. So go ahead and get the tube off. All you're gonna do to get these jets off is just gently push down. Everything is just kind of slid in and pressure fit, and then as you attach the screws down on that main vacuum tube back to the actual manifold of the cleaner, that's what's going to keep all of this tight, so then that way you guys don't have to worry about these things just sliding right off. So over time, a lot of these jets, these thrust jets, these venturi jets, they get clogged based off of the chemical composition, all the different dirt and debris in the pool. So it is important that you guys can take these off, clean them out, try to use a high pressure hose of some kind to blow them out, make sure there's no debris in there. And then, like I said, over time, the plastic just deteriorates and you guys just need to replace these to make sure that as this cleaner's rolling across the pool floor, that it's getting the proper push into the bag so you guys aren't just missing debris and causing the cleaner to run harder across the pool floor. So like I said, it's really, really simple to put the new ones on. It's just pressure fit in there. They're molded perfectly to just slide in and snap in. And that way, when you go put it back into the cleaner frame itself, everything kind of sticks together and you're good to go. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We got a ton more videos coming your way for all the other cleaners out there, as well as in the field videos, quick fixes, everything available for you guys. So I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.